What may be interpreted as an onslaught against the independence of the judiciary by the executive, Interior CS Joseph Nkaissery yesterday lashed out at a recent court ruling that barred the closure of Dadaab refugee camp, terming it as null and void. Defending the government's directive to close the camp, Nkaissery maintained that due process had been followed. Enock Sikolia reports.
A directive to shut the Dadaab refugee complex and repatriate about close to 3,000 Somali refugees living there was issued last year. The deadline for its closure had been extended until May, but a High Court judge blocked the government's bid on grounds that the decision was tantamount to an act of group persecution. The ruling by the High Court has left the judiciary at loggerheads with the executive if the statement by Interior CS is anything to go by.
Iyo amri ya koti haikuwa inahusika, is null and void.
The government has maintained that it will appeal against the ruling on security grounds. It says several attacks on Kenyan soil by the Somalia-based Al-Shabaab group had been planned and executed from deep inside the camp.
Serikali haikuwa na nia ya kufunga Dadaab na kwa nguvu. Tulikuwa tumeweka kisheria ambayo inalingana na sheria ya United Nations protocols, na tulikuwa tumepanga na UN, United Nations High Commission for Refugees. Kati ya mwezi 6 tutakuwa na serikali Somalia ambayo tunashukuru juzi wamechagua president.
Thursday's ruling means that the government has to start putting in place mechanisms that will restore regular operations at the camp.
We would like to state that the government will be appealing this judgment as soon as possible.
Kenya's refugee department had already been shut, meaning that newborn babies were not being registered as refugees. Enock Sikolia, NTV.